everyone, welcome back. Is she ready? Are you ready?
I am ready.
Okay, very good. Hi, this is Jyoti and
Shruti, what's up, Joe?
what's up, what's up? Listen,
What's up? हाँ.
Bollywood is taking the country by storm again.
अरे जो तुम कैसे बॉलीवुड पे रिएक्शन कर रही हो? What is going on, huh?
I don't
It's very
know.
unlike Joe to do something like this, which is why. But then it's Saiyaara, and it is like taking the entire country with a storm.
You right?
I saw this
Everywhere.
one reel which was hilarious. Can I please share with you what that reel was?
What?
Basically, it said for 16 to 25-year-olds, Saiyaara reaction. Kids are crying and they are feeling like, oh, mera heart, my God, this movie and all that.
Yeah.
Then the next, like 25 to 35, people are sitting there, they're watching, they're interested, but they're like, okay,
I think I'll
popcorn,
see.
popcorn kha rahe hain. Hai na? Then 35 to 45, they are, no, or whatever, one such thing in the middle, they are very bored. They're like almost dead, like, ऐसे कि क्या है ये? And uske baad, खाली nobody's there because they're like, what rubbish is this? कोई नहीं बैठ के देखने वाला है ये film में, बकवास film है. So the variation is too
Yeah.
much, you know. But then again, that's like what happened, right? Like when Ashiki came out, the original Ashiki, everyone's hearts are breaking.
The
Everyone's
original
like,
Ashiki.
और कयामत से कयामत
Our
तक and all
DDLJ.
ऐसा वैसे, हाँ. And our parents are like, what rubbish is this? Like, what
Yeah,
film is this?
yeah.
ये क्या है इसमें? So I think it's just one of those generational films.
Yeah.
But the way Saiyaara's taken over, and I think it's become like that under whatever film, like, you know, the underdog film. Nobody expected it. Nobody thought of it. And next, you know, it became like a massive hit. So
The
yeah.
thing with Mohit Suri films, and we've seen this in our entire radio career as well,
Yeah.
is that he knows what kind of music to use to hit the masses with.
Yeah.
That's it. Then
100%.
he'll pick the music and the musicians first, and then he'll put the story and the
Correct.
tragedy as the backdrop of it. He
Correct.
did this with Ashiki 2 as well. That was Mohit Suri, right?
Yes, I think so. I don't remember.
I have to double check this before it's foot and mouth disease. Ashiki 2 is whose movie, yaar, director? He must be producer, if not director. Mohit Suri. See, I knew it. तो वो है अब भाई साहब का स्टैंडर्ड. तो हमें पता है म्यूजिक तो उसका फिनोमिनल होगा ही, लेकिन उसमें एक आप ट्रेजेडी वाली यू नो, या तो कोई मर रहा है या कोई मेंटल हेल्थ उसका उसमें है, कुछ तो है, मतलब टॉक्सिक उस रिलेशनशिप पे.
See, it's the same thing, no? Imtiaz Ali is making the same story again and again and again. Mohit Suri is also making the same story again and again and again. Just अलग-अलग जरियों में, अलग-अलग तरीकों में, थोड़ी कहानी बदलती है, कभी ये कभी वो. लेकिन creatively things keep changing, but the base remains the same.
But Imtiaz Ali is slightly more this thing. उन्होंने तमाशा की टैगलाइन ही बना दी. Why always the same story? So he's like, I know.
खुद से सवाल चल रहा है. Why always the same story? हाँ, लेकिन इसमें Saiyaara में you've seen that other track which is
I've not seen anything.
किशोरदा की आवाज डाल के उन्होंने AI से जो वो वाला यूज किया है. The music music director came up with that whole idea, and that again has done so well because, like, you know, and then the visuals they've put Maushami Chatterjee and Amitabh Bachchan's one old song, उसके visuals आ गए. वो जो rain वाला गाना नहीं है ना उनका, रिम झिम गिरे सावन. So they've put visuals of that, but the song is you know, like ऐसे किशोर कुमार की आवाज में Saiyaara का.
My God.
So it's like you're using AI, whatever tools are available to you today, and you're using that with like a different spin of it, and that's the new age version of it, basically.
Yeah, so I have to also say that Abhi Dikh Raha Hai #1 global top music video. It is this one. So YRF is to laughing all the way to the bank.
Correct.
That's one.
They were like, jisko jo bolna hai, bolo.
But again, this whole thing is very weird for me because Mohit Suri's always worked under the Bhatt banner. And now with YRF and Adi being the sort of mentor for these new kids, Ahan, Pandey and Anik.
After Ashiki 2 maybe. Yeah.
Probably. So it's so here we have the master from the Bhatt camp who's the tragic love story plus music expert, and then you have the mentoring and career launcher expert.
Correct.
When both have come together, this had to happen. So, you know, I mean, honestly, I
in
was
retrospect, because when it released, nobody expected anything.
But we like, yeah, that's true.
You know, in retrospect,
because it was not on anyone's radar.
No. And they did not even publicize it before releasing the way normally a YRF film would be.
Yeah.
You know,
under wraps
तो usual under wraps नहीं, I think जो usual contenders होते हैं वैसा कुछ था ही नहीं इस बार. You know, what are the telltale markers of like say a YRF or whatever. This time, I mean, everything was, I think सब होते हैं ना कि फूक we don't know, we don't want to go wrong here. Like, let's just soft launch this and see where it goes. And next, you know, super hit, you know, वैसा वाला vibe. So and now of course everybody will take credit. हमें तो पहले से ही पता था, हमें तो पता था, हम तो ऐसे ही बनाते हैं. We are the studs in it. और अब तो सब वही बोलेंगे. लेकिन you know, fact is that it didn't go like that.
Yeah.
But let's see. That's the beauty of it.
That's the beauty of it.
ऐसी चीजें आज भी हो सकती हैं.
Yeah. But also if you've noticed, Mohit Suri has launched a lot of Pakistani singers in his thing. It's a standard with the Bhatt camp. It's mainly them doing it. And this time he's worked with Faheem, who's made his name in the YouTube space. He's had a big hit track, and he's a Kashmiri artist. And of course, when we say Kashmiri, we always mean India. So in that aspect is good. But again, the Bhatts are pundits, right? So it's nice. It's nice.
But why are we talking about the Bhatts here now anymore? Bhatts are not involved with this. Are they the producers here of Saiyaara?
No, I'm talking about them because it's the same camp, and
like that.
The camp's strategy has been that.
Got it. Yeah.
So anyway, now it's got Faheem, who is becoming that big find. You know, like once upon a time, Atif Aslam was.
Correct.
As an
so now suddenly everybody is gravitating to this guy. Going,
Arijit was. Arijit, of course, is an exception in that. But that one big voice and independent artist that has been elevated because of a massive hit is this.
So have you heard the song? This one before?
I have. Okay, so for honest confession, it's topping charts everywhere. I have only heard the hook of it. I have not heard the whole
I've also not heard it. All I've heard is Saiyaara Hu Main. Like, I think there's that one line which happens somewhere. That's all that I've heard. Literally. Because like I've not, and it's been there for a while. So normally, you know, I would land up listening to it. But मैंने वो सुना ही नहीं है. Unless मैंने सुना है and I didn't realize that it's Saiyaara. So ऐसे मेरे को specifically नहीं याद. Then couple of my other singer friends told me about it because they went and saw the movie and they were like, "अरे बहुत अच्छी movie है." I'm like, "You're saying अच्छी movie है? What is going on?" So that's when I like took notice, you know.
Okay.
So
I don't think I'll watch the movie. I don't have that kind of patience anymore. And certainly not in
sad ऐसे वाली मतलब Fault in the Stars और ऐसे बहुत सारी और फिल्में हैं यार. It is all same. Enough देख चुके हैं वो कि इसमें फिर ज़्यादा असर नहीं पड़ेगा, you know.
Thank you. You know, children, when you reach our age. Your minds, bodies, hearts,
you don't
souls,
want heartache.
So worn out. Yeah, you're just like.
I don't have this worn out theory. Mine is that you see so much real life
heartache. Romanticize it. Yeah, that's true.
That you don't want heartache also when you watch a movie. Like, you know.
That's also there. My thing is, we are just tired of it. Enough.
देख लिया enough. मतलब ठीक है. Fault in the Stars देख ली थी. अब ये देखने की जरूरत
नहीं. But that passionate love and all is, you know.
Yeah. कि कोई मतलब प्यार में रोमियो जूलियट हो रहा है वो नहीं हो सकता.
Sacrificing my life for her.
Yes. Anyway, okay, enough. Let's get to the song in the video now.
Let's. Chalo. Ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, play.
तू पास है मेरे पास है से मेरा कोई एहसास है जैसे तू पास है मेरे पास है से मेरा कोई एहसास है जैसे हाय मैं मर ही जाऊं जो तुझको ना पाऊं बातों में तेरी मैं रातें बिताऊं होठों पे लम्हा लम्हा है नाम तेरा है तुझको ही गाऊं मैं तुझको पुकारूं सैयारा तू तो बदला नहीं है मौसम जरा सा रूठा हुआ है सैयारा तू तो बदला नहीं है मौसम जरा सा रूठा हुआ है अभी कुछ पल बाकी है मेरे पास मैं तो तेरे आंसुओं का बना हूँ मेरी
तुझको ना पाऊं, बातों में तेरी मैं रातें बिताऊं, होठों पे लम्हा लम्हा है नाम तेरा है, तुझको ही गाऊं मैं, तुझको पुकारूं। सैयारा तू तो बदला नहीं है, मौसम जरा सा रूठा हुआ है, सैयारा तू तो बदला नहीं है, मौसम जरा सा रूठा हुआ है।
My God, I do feel bad when one person goes away.
ये गाना मैंने सुना है, like हाँ, like you said the two lines. The moment I heard it, I was like, हाँ, ये मैंने सुना हुआ है.
Yeah.
हाँ, like hook तो सुना है for sure.
I mean,
for
we are
sure.
not living under that big of a rock also. इतना तो it's everywhere.
मतलब मैंने जो दूसरा वाला है, वो जो किशोर कुमार वाला, वो तो सुन लिया. वो तो मैंने जाके सुना, ढूंढ के सुना कि like, you know, how is it sounding?
This guy, yeah. So I like the song. It's that hook bit that is the most this thing.
Yeah.
I think it's the story that is also very this thing.
Yeah, and the visuals are beautiful. Like, you know,
I think they
and it
both
totally
acted so well. Very nice.
Without knowing anything, it's giving me very Ashiki 2 vibes. Huh? Like मतलब बहुत सारे visuals और जो उनका dynamic है and everything, it kind of reminded me of that. Little bit Murder also. Murder के अंदर जो इमरान हाशमी and उसका dynamic था ना.
All
like
the intense movies को mix कर दो.
हाँ.
But for a first movie, they've acted really well. I was just admiring the acting.
For sure.
It doesn't look like they are first
looking good.
The
visuals are so good, and like just they're very like into their craft. Very nice.
Very nice.
For sure.
I mean, it is nice to see children related to actors who can actually act. I'm just saying, you know.
And just rather than the entire generation being very nonchalant, being like, nothing affects me. What? Instead of that, like them actually crying and all when they watch this movie, तो उनके लिए ऐसे नया experience होगा कि कैसे emotion feel करते हैं. Sorry, I'm being like so
mean, guys.
It's because
she's so mean. She just if you think I am bad, wait till you hear her off.
Yesterday, I had a recording in which we ran out of different options. They wanted this one line in multiple ways. Okay, तो मैं उनको दे रही थी अलग-अलग तरीके, you know, happy, chirpy, whatever, ये वो. So they ran out of options. They said अभी और क्या option बचा है? तो मैंने कहा, do you want a Gen Z nonchalant? Suddenly their eyes and ears like perked up. They were like, हैं? ये क्या होता है? So then I gave them, and they were all laughing. They were like, oh my God, okay, this is how, like, so I gave them that option. And then I gave them like, so it has become a legit way of talking.
Can you show me what it is? I also want to laugh.
I'm telling you, like when it's very disinterested and very like, do I have to do this? Like, okay, fine. Like, okay,
I'll do that. Title song.
Like imagine us saying this, but like, yeah, it's a good song. So it's a good movie. Like first time I felt something. I can't even tell you what it was like. Like, you know, I was crying. Can you imagine me crying? Like, you know, it's that. It's like when you're not interested, you're like fully like, it doesn't make a difference to my life. Like, you know. So basically that. Yeah. तो अब सोचो ऐसे बच्चों को ये फिल्म दिख जाए. Suddenly they don't know what's happening to their heart. They have like, you know, sudden heartbreak. Oh my God, tears tapped up and all. So yeah,
like ये भी feel हो सकता है.
हाँ, suddenly they're like, they're like millennials जो बोलते थे वो सच था. Like, you know, suddenly they'll go into that. But anyway, I'm glad this is happening. I'm glad this phenomenon is happening. I think Bollywood also needed one such feeling wali good film that's like doing well. You know, not because of the commercial aspect of it, but completely because प्यार हो गया लोगों को film से.
Also, it's Irshad Kamil. It's one of my favorite lyricists, and possibly along with like Amitabh Bhattacharya and a few others, like one of the best that our generation has seen. So if he's going to write the lyrics, and then you've got a very powerful voice, Faheem clearly sounds like he is trained, and not just in one style of singing, but in, you know, he's strong, powerful, and has experience, you know, with his craft. वो भी बहुत दिख रहा था because emotion was very high in the singing.
Like and Tanishk Bagchi also, like always good.
I was coming to him as well. So he gets a lot of crap for a lot of things, but fact is, man has delivered songs that connect. You know,
which is why everyone knows his name. Everyone knows, like, admires his. Yeah, so got to
so you got the A team there, and it's showing. So I mean, #1 global top music video aa raha hai yahan pe. So people are 316 million pe abhi hai. Just saying.
Well done. Very
it's
good.
I think Bollywood needed, the film industry needed this sort of revival situation, because
correct, and little like new faces also. New faces which are which aren't just like the known crop that came 2-3 years back. Not just like the same star kids and the same whatevers, but like some different new faces which you don't know about. And then suddenly they come and they're like acting really well and just like, have bagged like a Yash Raj film and all that. So it's a good story. It always makes for a good story to read.
And once the movies are hit and it's out there, then the backstories get revealed and all that.
It becomes even bigger then. Yes, correct.
But just musically speaking, I feel that it's after COVID, the industry has changed a lot, and we're seeing Bollywood realizing that they can't function the way they used to before. They're conforming. They're getting more independent voices into the thing. They did this in the 90s and thing also. लेकिन तब पूरा वो switch ऐसे नहीं हुआ था. They and I know because Atul told me this, that the channels that used to play our independent pop music videos and artists के गाने, उनका sponsors हट गए, तो फिर वहाँ पे support ही नहीं रहा, फिर वो सब singers Bollywood में चले गए.
Correct.
तो ये reason हुआ उसका decline का. अब वो situation
पैसे तो कमाने हैं ना, like somehow I mean art is art, but you also got to survive.
But अब वो situation नहीं है. अब independent releasing and all that is very democratized and everything. The landscape has changed. So now what I'm trying to get at is that in the soundtracks of films and music directors and everything, they will start giving us more independent voices and other non-traditional, that 5 set of voices that they always used in soundtracks will stop happening as much.
Like this song also I feel grew. It wasn't the first time jab suna, at least not with me, like the first few times that I heard it, the reason I didn't seek it out and hear it myself was because I found it very like average, because I hadn't heard the whole song. तो कुछ songs में वो earworm quality होती है ना, जो the more you listen the more you want to listen, वो वाली जो बात होती है.
इसमें if you felt the story and the movie and you watched it, maybe you will connect stronger with this
way
song.
More correct
because 100%. the second I heard Tum Hi Ho, I connected it with it so strongly before I even watched the movie. वो बात मुझे इस song में नहीं लगी, but I think the reason is because the story and everything, people are connecting so strongly with it that the song has grown because of that.
Correct 100%. It's that only,
है ना? तो you and I will not feel it, क्योंकि movie तो हम देखने नहीं वाले, but ठीक है.
मतलब never know. Never say never. You find yourself in a situation and you're like, oh, okay, I will watch it now.
But see, I am one of those people who now post-COVID, I will watch at home in the comfort of my own listening. I will go to the cinema hall for a Marvel type movie that needs a big screen, like a Dune.
Or a 3D whatever movie.
Something with the effects that require you to have that cinematic experience. So I'm one of those people. तो देख लेंगे अगर आ गई हमारे घर के screen पे कभी. So anyway, that's all from us. First time or very rare. I don't
first time Bollywood has happened.
Can you believe it? ये भी हो सकता है. चलो, on that note, 2025, hopefully more surprises. Take care of yourselves. Live long and prosper. Bye.